Mirko from My Hero Academia. Pretty good fight scene with her that they did in the new season, season 6. So it's going to do that pose where she's like pulling the hair off her face, sort of just brushing her hair back, and she's like all bloody and smiling and stuff. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We'll go up, over to the right. I'm going to start with the top eyelid just here. Curve a line across like that. Now most of this goes underneath her hair. We'll just draw it in and thicken it up a little bit. Right, and then bottom eyelid just underneath, down and up. And then there is some eyelash lines that stick out from here. And then another, this is her bloody eye, so it's kind of like, it's got some scratches and stuff around it. So her iris, circle just here. Pupil, kind of long pupil. And then eyelid line, going across. And then her eyebrow up here, and then like just a section that you color in. So her other eye's slightly bigger, but they're pretty close together just here. So it goes up. This one goes underneath her hand, and then you just thicken it up. That, and then bottom eyelid line, kind of come down from there around up. They don't have to touch or anything. Eyelashes, iris, and pupil. So you notice this eye is kind of bigger than that one. Just because this, she got like a punch in this one, so it's like squinting a little bit. And then her eyelid line, and her eyebrow again. Like so. Then her nose, just in the middle, it's just a line, so it just like goes down like that. And then her mouth just underneath, smiling, big My Hero Academia mouth. Here, and then you open it up, and it's like a capital letter D sort of turned on its side. And then we got teeth all inside there. Like so. And her chin, pretty pointy. That, and then we'll just curve it up around towards her eyes. Disappears behind her hand, but we'll just curve it gradually. It's kind of like a wine glass sort of shape for her face. So this one goes underneath her hair on this side, so you can't really see it. So hair, right, starting here, right, we've got like a big long piece of hair. Coming down just to there, right, and this will go down across her face here as well. Like that, and then more on this side. This one I think goes really far. Yeah, this one will go like down off the page. And then the other side. Down there, and like some texture lines in between. Like so. And so the top of her head, just here, goes behind her ear. which will go off the top of my page. So you just have like a furry sort of zigzag section for the ear, and then up that way, and then the inside of the ear there. And there's like some scratches and dirt and stuff. There is like scratches and dirt on her face as well. Right, the rest of her hair goes behind her shoulders on that side, so I won't draw that yet until we do her shoulders, with the top of her head down there. And there's a hand here, right? So to get the hand in the right place, it's kind of tricky. We got to draw her sort of body first, right? So we'll just leave that as it is. Then we'll go down here and we'll do her neck. So neckline there, neckline kind of in behind her hair, sort of here, right? And then we've got this kind of bumpy sort of collar that she wears. Kind of comes out. Around this way. Right, neck muscles maybe. And then some sort of hatching and stuff, just maybe to make it look a bit furry. So her torso and her chest. So we've got like her chest sticking out here. So a big curved line. Coming around, where does it go? Yeah, so like out this way. It goes up, and then another line coming around here for her armpit, and then like some hatching for the center going down that way. And then her torso just sort of here, and like her rib cage, like her diaphragm and rib cage just there. Okay, and then she has her shoulder going out this way, and she's got a strap, like the blue line of her costume there coming over her shoulder, down underneath her armpit, kind of across this area. And then her shoulder come out from behind her hair, just here. Like that. And then you'll have sort of a collarbone, shoulder line going this way. Okay. And then more fur for her ear there. So her arm in this scene is like broken, right? So she's got, well, it's gone, basically, from the forearm down, right? So she's got this thing tied on it just to stop the bleeding or something. So here, tied, goes around her bicep, right, which is sort of around her hair. And like goes down that way, and the inside of her bicep would be here. And kind of a shoulder muscle line there. Some like scratches on this. And some more bandage hanging down. So this goes behind like her arm, and then bandage kind of hanging down that way, and it's all sort of gnarly down here. So this is all mangled, pretty bad, going down that way. Like all these sort of scratch marks and stuff. So then the moon, that's on her chest. So it kind of bumps around into the middle here. Around her chest. Back up to there. Right. And then her hair that hangs down, so we'll go sort of down this way, right? And you can add as much of this sort of texture lines and stuff as you'd like. More here. Okay, so her other arm, right, so her other shoulder is here. Sticking out like so. And you've got a strap here. And like her shoulder that way. Bicep. Go in behind her forearm. And her tricep comes out from behind her chest just here. Out to the elbow. And then elbow goes up. And her forearm. So she's quite muscly. She's got like a bodybuilder sort of physique. And then this goes around there. Like another sort of elbow line with scratches. And so her hand comes out from here and it's holding her hair. It's pulling it like away from her eye on this side. So she's got this big glove, right? So it comes down and it like zigzags in, right? So it goes across a couple of times. Like that, and then up to here. And then her hand will start to come out from this, right? So there's some lines here. And her hand will go up, is grabbing her hair, pulling it away from her eye. So we go around for the bottom of the hand. And it like covers some of her eye. So we go up, like so, out for a knuckle there. So like these, and if you go over anything here, you can just erase them, you know. So you'd erase these lines that you shouldn't see. Knuckle lines there. And then the next finger down like that. Another knuckle line there. And then the next finger right up here. Some bumps just behind this finger. And then her thumb, so just sticking up there and then down behind the glove on that side. So then this hair that she's pulling comes out from behind her hand and it goes down behind her chest here. That goes down that way. She's got like fluffy ears here. The fluffy ear goes up that way and more hair. So more hair actually comes down out here. Like that. Some more texture lines on her hair there. And then that ear, so the other ear just goes up like so. Right, and she does have like lots of blood on her face and scratches and stuff, right? So I'm gonna add that, and I'll draw in where the blood is, just here, all coming down her eye and her mouth. She's a pretty tough cookie, this one. Enjoying the battle. There's a bit of blood on this collar as well, actually. That's all red, like inside there. So, and then as much sort of scratches and, you know, details and dirt and stuff you want to put. So, rib cage maybe, like there. Right, I think I'll leave it there. Let's start drawing Mirko from My Hero Academia, Season 6. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.